Hello everyone, my name is Wani Pirit from Group 1 Subgroup 2. Today we present our educational visit to Malaysia, Kota, Samarahan.
This presentation is prepared by 11 group members including myself. So you guys can see the slide that we shown. And now we're gonna move to the next slide.
The main purposes of the visit is to learn and practice grafting technique on cacao plants and to observe systematic cultivation and research activities.
The Malaysian Cocoa Board or MCB was established in 1898 under the Ministry of Plantation and Commodities. It plays a key role in driving the sustainable growth of Malaysia cocoa industry, from research and development to supporting farmers and improving production quality overall. MCB works to strengthen Malaysia's position as a competitive player in the global cocoa market.
So while cacao is the primary product used for chocolate, its downstream uses are incredibly diverse. Beyond food, cocoa is a key ingredient in cosmetics and personal care items like hair gel, shower cream, and even makeup like blushes and compact powder.
Next, we look at the cocoa fermentation and drying. In this first photo, you can see how the raw beans are fermented to develop flavor and then spread out to dry. We also tour the cocoa processing area. The middle image shows the equipment we use to grind and process those beans into a usable cocoa base. This setup shows us exactly how raw harvest is transformed into an industrial ingredient before we ever reach the kitchen.
Hi, I'm Natalie. For our visiting highlight, we explore the sales gallery, which features Cocoa Paradise products such as refreshing shower gel, moisturizing shower cream, and smoothing body scrub. They also sell ice cream made from cocoa processed into chocolate, along with various chocolate brands like Magnificent Chocks. We also had the chance to make our own chocolate bars. The activity was fun and educational, where we learned the do's and don'ts of chocolate making, such as preventing water contamination and creating chocolates in different shapes.
Hi, I'm Rose. So next, my part focus on cocoa nursery and plantation. We observed that healthy seedlings grown under proper shade, good soil, and regular watering, with only strong seedlings are selected for high survival. In the plantation, cocoa trees are grown with proper spacing and shade, and good management practice like pruning, fertilization, and pest control help improve food development and yield. We also observe cocoa pods at different growth stage, highlighting the importance of good nursery management for sustainable production. Thank you.
The most interesting observation and interaction. We observe how cocoa is transformed into chocolate product and interacted by pouring melted chocolate into mold, and then show us the downstream use of cocoa tea while letting us enjoy the chocolate ourselves.
Next, we move to learning outcome. Knowledge or insight gained. Malaysia Cocoa Board role. Learn how it advance cocoa research, development, and industry. Quality control in production. Observe strict measures from cultivation to post-harvest handling. Third, scientific advancement and collaboration. So important in sustaining the cocoa industry. Last, changes in cocoa cultivation. Understood issues like pest, disease, and sustainability.
Hi, I'm Putri. Next, learning outcomes that relate to our study and career. First, apply theoretical knowledge connected what we learn in class to real industry practices. Second, career perspective, rounded understanding of opportunities in agriculture. Thirdly, analytical and critical thinking, develop problem-solving skills through exposure to real challenges. Last but not least, communication and teamwork skills, improve by collaborating and sharing perspective during the visit.
In conclusion, our visit to the Malaysian Cocoa Board in Kota Samarahan gave us clear insight into cocoa processing from fermentation to cocoa powder and chocolate base. The trip helped connect theory with real practice, improve our teamwork and communication, and broaden our understanding of careers in agriculture and agribusiness. Finally, we thank all the staff for their guardians, making this a meaningful and memorable experience.